Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play online in NBA Live Mobile. Only ways. Tap Play, then tap Online Mode to join matches immediately and avoid local-only options. Use a stable Wi-Fi or strong cellular connection and close bandwidth hog apps to reduce lag. Make sure your app is updated and you are signed into the right account to keep your progress and rewards synchronized across devices. Find consistent wins by choosing matchmaking options that suit your skill and stamina, and by warming up in casual games first. Pay attention to opponent ratings and pick lineups that counter likely matchups. Rotate players to preserve stamina and keep defensive assignments tight to prevent fast break points. Communicate with teammates if in co-op or friend matches to set plays and avoid confusion that costs possessions and momentum in tight games. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming sessions or intense tournaments. They stay cushioned, fit great, and save you money over time, so treating your feet is an easy win. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lean into fundamentals like spacing, timing, and substitution patterns to control tempo and generate high percentage shots. Use pick-and-rolls and off-ball movement to free up shooters and exploit mismatches by isolating favorable matchups. Track stamina bars and use timeouts or subs to keep your best players effective late in games. Defend with discipline, contest shots without fouling, and force tough angles to limit easy baskets and increase turnover chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.